just prepared potato salad. I boil potato, sweet potato, and one carrot. Then I add a little bit boiled mixed vegetable. Then mayonnaise, and two boiled eggs. I cut it, chopped, and put it in the little bit onion and colorful peppers. There are three different colors, so I cut it and chopped. I put it, added in there, and little bit salt because mayonnaise have salt also. So then I mix it, and first I boil potato, sweet potato, and carrot together. So I chop the small a carrot and a little bit bigger, like this size of a potato. So then I mix it. The salad is ready actually.